Hello everyone, this side Saloni Sharma, your maths teacher, again back with a new topic, chapter number 11, money. These are the objective of your chapter. First, to introduce students to different coins and notes. Second, to help them use money in their daily life. Third, to help students to understand the concept of version of rupees and paise. Fourth, symbol of rupees is this. These are the coins which is used as money. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. Always remember 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. For converting rupees into paise, we have to multiply the rupees with 100 paise. For example, 2 rupees is equals to 2 multiply 100 paise means 200 paise, and 10 rupees is equals to 10 multiply 100 paise means 1000 paise. And yes, one thing which we have to note that 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise, 50 paise coins are not used these days. And this is how we are expressing money in words. Now we are going to express money in figures, means symbolic form. And yes, we need to remember these facts for understanding the concept of money. First, we write the number of paise as 2-digit numeral. Second, we use the symbol this for rupees and capital P for paise. Third, we use a dot for separating rupees and paise. Now, we are going to understand the methods for conversion. Firstly, we are going to convert rupees into paise. In the first example, 9 rupees and 65 paise, we are going to convert 9 rupees into paise. So, 9 multiply 100 paise plus 65 paise, and the answer we get is 965 paise. In the second example, 14 rupees and 6 paise. 14 multiply 100 paise plus 6 paise, and the answer we get is 1406 paise. Now we are going to convert rupees into paise just by removing rupees sign and the point between the digits. For example, 46 rupees 0.39 paise. By removing the rupees sign and dot, we get the answer 4639 paise. And the same steps we are going to follow in the second example also. Now we are going to convert into rupees and paise by using rupees sign and put a point for separating rupees and paise. In the given example, 7496 paise. For converting this, we are going to use rupees sign and put a point, and the answer we get is 74 rupees.96. These are the notes used as money. 1 rupee note, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 50 rupees note. 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. The next concept is addition and subtraction of money. For addition, it is important to write one point below the other and write in vertical form. For subtraction, write the bigger amount above and write in vertical form. Children, do you know we do money transaction in our daily life while purchasing or selling something? So, let us solve word problems related to same transaction. For example, Ram bought eggs for 18 rupees 63 paise, bread for 23 rupees 89 paise and butter for 25 rupees. So find the total money spent by Ram. For solving this, we are going to write all the information given in the question first. Like cost of eggs is 18 rupees 63 paise. Cost of bread is 23 rupees 89 paise and cost of butter is 25 rupees. By adding all these costs, we get the answer 67 rupees 52 paise. So, total money spent by Ram is 67 rupees 52 paise. Now children, it's time to recapitulate all the topics. First, 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. Second, 1 rupees has 2 coins of 50 paise and 4 coins of 25 paise. Third, rupees and paise should be separated by a dot. Fourth, always keep greater amount above while subtracting. And fifth, there can be only 2 digits after the dot. Now it's time to recite a poem. We all need money for our daily life. Everyone needs money, whether husband or wife. Coins and notes are of different rupees. Coins and notes never grow on trees. I hope you understand and enjoyed all the topics. Thank you.